Your skin is a marvelously dynamic organ, reacting to both internal and external influences. This implies that your daily routines and habits have a profound effect on your skin, whether you're aware of it or not. You're likely acquainted with practices that promote youthful skin, such as staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Conversely, excessive exposure to UV rays can lead to undesirable outcomes like dark spots and premature aging signs. Yet, there exists lesser known habits that currently exert an influence on your skin's condition. Unbeknownst to you, these everyday practices might be inadvertently aging your complexion. To assist you in identifying any inadvertent contributions to premature skin aging, I have habits here that I will reveal that discreetly impact your skin. Brace yourself, as some of them might come as a surprise. Over exfoliating. Exfoliation is usually considered a good thing when it comes to skincare. In the right amount, it does contribute to more youthful looking skin by getting rid of dead skin cells, unclogging pores, and brightening your complexion. But in this case, more is not better. If you use physical or chemical exfoliators too regularly, you can end up damaging your skin barrier. This leads to sensitivity, irritation, and dryness, all of which contribute to older looking skin. Overexfoliation can also make your skin more sensitive to toxins and other stressors like UV rays, which again can prematurely age your skin. Everyone is different when it comes to exfoliation, but just 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient for most complexions. If you find your skin is still sensitive, drop to once a week. Using the wrong soap. The main purpose of soap is to cleanse your skin, getting rid of dirt, dead skin cells, and other debris. But not all soap is created equal. Many soaps in the market, particularly facial cleansers, strip your skin of healthy oils along with dirt and debris. They can also contain certain types of surfactants that weaken skin barrier function. Worse still, these surfactant molecules frequently remain on your skin even after rinsing. Eventually, your skin will respond to this type of soap with irritation and dryness that make signs of aging look more noticeable. To avoid this, look for natural soap that contains both cleansing and moisturizing ingredients, like aloe vera and plant based oils. Also, use lukewarm water to wash your face so that you don't dry your skin out. Leaving on makeup residue. If you wear makeup, you're likely aware that sleeping in it is not great for your skin. However, even allowing the residue to sit on your skin through the night is problematic for your complexion. It's not uncommon to rush through makeup removal as you get ready to fall into bed, but anything that gets left behind has the potential to clog pores and allow dead skin cells to build up, which leads to dull and lifeless looking skin in the long run. Use a quality makeup remover to carefully remove all traces of your makeup before bedtime. Then, follow this up with a gentle moisturizing cleanser to make sure your pores are fully unclogged and cleansed. Eating toxins in food. You may know that pesticide residue, artificial ingredients, and other chemicals in food are toxic for your health. But did you also know that they are toxic for your skin and can make it look older than it is? This goes back to one principle. Whatever affects your health as a whole also affects your skin. Not only is your skin affected by hormones, and there are many endocrine disruptors out there, it's also connected to your gut. This means that chemicals that disrupt digestion or impair nutrient absorption will directly impact your skin. Especially beware of consuming too many processed foods. Not only are they short on nutrients and typically full of chemical additives, they also tend to have little to no moisture content, depriving your skin of a premium nutrient, water. And of course, buy USDA organic whenever possible. Using toxic cosmetics and skincare products. Here's another way both soap and makeup can age your skin by containing toxic chemicals. The fact that many cosmetics and skincare products contain toxins is no secret anymore. Women apply an estimated 168 different chemicals to their skin every day through these products. This includes chemicals that can be absorbed into the body and increase your risk of hormone disruption, cancer, and more. What you may not know is that these same toxins can also make your skin look older. Any chemical that affects your hormones, like parabens, phthalates, and fragrance chemicals, has the potential to speed up aging because hormones are very important to skin health. Even normal ingredients like alpha and beta hydroxy acids can make your skin more sensitive to UV radiation, a big age accelerator. To keep your skin looking young looking, carefully read labels to avoid the top cosmetic toxins. Also, buy USDA certified organic products to ensure no pesticides, fertilizer, GMOs, etc. were used. Loading up on sugar. Sugar isn't technically a toxin, but it can be one of the worst food ingredients for your complexion. In your body, sugar is involved in glycation, which is a reaction of sugars with proteins, DNA, and lipids that results in the formation of advanced glycation end products. Essentially, glycation leads to impaired protein function, including collagen damage and loss of skin elasticity. This has a major impact on skin aging and can accelerate if your sugar levels are constantly high. Of course, eating some sugar is fine, particularly if it comes from whole fruits, honey, etc. But avoid excessive amounts, especially too much refined sugar. Exposing your neck and hands to the sun. Sunlight is essential for vitamin D production, but exposing your skin to too much of it is one of the biggest accelerators of skin aging. Ultraviolet UV rays from the sun damage your skin at the cell level, particularly when you get burned. This leads to all major signs of aging: wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, roughness, and so on. Many people know this for a fact, but nevertheless fail into a bad habit by applying sunscreen to their face and forgetting their neck and hands. Remember, your face isn't the only part of your body that shows signs of aging. The skin on your neck, in particular, is much like an extension of your face. It too can become dry, wrinkled, and generally weathered, but it usually gets overlooked where protective measures are concerned. When you plan to be out in the sun for a long period of time, be sure to apply a natural sunscreen to your neck and hands to keep them young looking. And don't forget to protect your hands from UV rays while driving. Skimping on sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, including your skin. It should come as no surprise then that sleep deprivation is associated with increased signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, reduced elasticity, and uneven skin tone. So, if you want younger looking skin, get to bed on time and look into practices that help you fall and stay asleep. But simply getting more sleep isn't the end of the story. How you sleep also affects the appearance of wrinkles on your face. Side and stomach sleepers are prone to something known as mechanical compression, in which the skin develops lines and wrinkles from being pressed against the pillow. According to one study, stomach sleepers are most likely to develop these age lines. The type of pillow fabric you sleep on can also affect your complexion. Organic cotton is a great bedding material in general, but it can pull moisture out of your skin, drying it out. If your skin tends towards the dry side, you may want to choose a different type of pillowcase. Not managing stress. Chronic stress affects every part of your life, including your health and your skin. Feeling stress all the time can trigger numerous skin problems, including accelerated aging. Researchers believe this most likely happens because the hormones in your body produces under stress as well as increased inflammation. Now, managing stress is challenging, but it's also essential if you want to avoid premature skin aging. There are numerous holistic tactics out there to reduce the impact of stress. They range from taking stress reducing herbs, particularly adaptogens, to meditation and aromatherapy. The bottom line is that you should make stress reduction a priority, and you may be amazed at how your skin responds. Squinting. Repeated facial movements are one of the ways wrinkles form. In this case, squinting causes grooves to form in your skin around your eyes, which can eventually become wrinkles and crow's feet if you do it often enough. One of the most common bad habits that leads to squinting is not wearing glasses or corrective lenses if you need them. This ensures that you will almost constantly be squinting to some degree, even if you've convinced yourself you can see just fine. Staring at a screen for too long can also cause squinting, particularly when your eyes get tired and strained. A good reason to take screen breaks and to wear those glasses or contacts. Using too many electronic devices. It's no secret that we are in an age of technology, but it's still important to be mindful of how often you use electronic devices, particularly for the sake of your skin. Electronic devices can accelerate skin aging in two major ways. First, most of them emit blue light, which you may have heard in connection to sleep. Too much of it can disrupt your sleep cycle. A lesser known fact is that blue light can actually penetrate into the deeper layers of your skin, possibly more than UV rays. This is believed to contribute to premature skin aging. In addition, most people don't have great posture when using electronic devices. Believe it or not, this can lead to neck wrinkles and creases that have been dubbed tech neck. In short, it's best to limit the time you spend using electronics, or at least install a blue light filter on your devices, and practice better posture. Sitting down too much. A sedentary lifestyle isn't good for any aspect of your health, and research is now showing that sitting down for too long is actually aging your body. In fact, one study even suggested that sedentary women were biologically older by 8 years than women who exercise more frequently. If your body is aging more quickly than it should, this means your skin is also going to look prematurely old. Not only does exercise contribute to overall longevity, it also encourages blood circulation. This helps oxygen and essential nutrients to be pumped out to your skin on a regular basis. Some very recent research even suggests that exercise may help with better skin hydration. So, to look and feel younger, get your body moving more often. Rubbing your eyes. The skin around your eyes is the most delicate part of your face. That's why signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, and bags often show up there first. To keep your eyes youthful looking, it's very important that you treat the skin around them gently. Frequent eye rubbing does just the opposite and can lead to irritation and dryness that accelerates wrinkle formation. Tugging or stretching this area of your skin can also make dark circles and bags more visible. Again, this doesn't mean you should never rub your eyes, but if it's something you do often, find a way to break the habit. Sipping from a straw. If you frequently sip beverages with a straw, you may be causing fine lines to appear around your mouth. This seemingly innocent habit creases the skin around your mouth in the same pattern every time. Eventually, these temporary creases can turn into more permanent lines, making your skin look older. Of course, that doesn't mean you have to swear off using straws for good. But unless a straw is absolutely necessary, you may want to go without. Using skincare products in the wrong order. Using high quality anti aging products that nourish your skin is a key for youthful complexion. However, if you use these products in the wrong order, you may be losing most of their benefits. For example, applying a moisturizer or an oil before targeted anti aging products can greatly decrease their effectiveness. Moisturizers are designed to lock moisture into your skin, which means they also lock other molecules out, even the good ones. In general, the best anti-aging skincare regimen should start with a gentle cleanser. After that, apply your eye cream, if using one, followed by targeted products like serums. Finish with a moisturizing lotion or cream to seal in both moisture and all the wonderful ingredients you just applied. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something today about taking care of your skin.